In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change captain on your FC mobile. So after you're on your FC mobile, what you'll need to do is tap on club. So after you tap on club, what you'll see is different options right there. So just tap on my team. And after you do that, on the left hand side, you will see a few different options. So here you'll need to choose team editing. So after you do that, you will see your formations right here and you will see your roles. So just go to roles and there you will see captain option. Tap on captain. So after you do that, you will be able to just choose any one captain from here. So let's say I'm choosing Mbappe. So after doing that, just tap on confirm and there you go. You have just changed your captain on FC Mobile. So it's that simple, guys, and that is basically all for the video too. Thank you for watching. That is all. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.